Obi Igbo ekenekwa m unu biko ebe na nene masị m ihe ọbụla ihe ọma melụ nwoke ihe ọma melụ nwa biko akụfụ vidio dị n'akụkụ ebe anụ o nwere nchọ ka ịmụta na vidio anụ just pay attention na this video just mee gịnị asị m gịnị just pay attention na this video nwere nchọ ka ịmụta na this video because you na-enecha this video kịta ya mụta one or two biko ka nna ya kapchakwa n'isi na na-ekwu ogologo okwu mana nene this video to the end. Nene this video making to the end. So also him what they want to this guy is solely hand English mana ngwana no Igbo ya hotareli ihe oneku na this video because achọrọ m Igbo unoge kabaro na nelu this video ni simbene na chazelia onwezi ihe ọzọ ịmụta kabaro tila ya na comment section coordinate.
Cubana chief priest get money pass Davido on a low, but you no go even know safe. You know that's Igbo man sense for you. Igbo man too wise. Chief priest is one of the most successful, richest youths in Nigeria. Go check, he dey Google. Not be my mouth to water here and go check her for Google. Why he dey like that? Might explain something to you. Davido carry chief priest go tour for O2 Arena. After Davido perform finish, chief priest come Nigeria. He go build the own personal O2 for Owerri. As I'm telling you now, he dey construction. By the grace of God, before 2025, they will complete that stadium when they build, that arena when they build for Owerri. 5,000 capacity. The same event where many people go, they do Omenala available, they cry for jackets. The show was this. Igbo man did it, they observe. Wait till I fit take from this place, go home. We go fit fetch me more money. That's the mentality and the mindset of a businessman. If you not get this mindset, not me buy money. Because many of you get the money, but what you they do with the money? And I tell people say, not by how much they make, now by how much you are able to put into good use. Why chief priest is building assets, they buy liabilities upon liabilities in order to meet up with the celebrity lifestyle. You don't understand? This guy they build 5,000 capacity stadium arena for a state. When that's by the time that arena don't finish now. All these events where many artists they go UK, they go US, they go they host shows for that side. Now where they go till they happen. You know that's and guess what? Anytime any artist will perform for that place, you have to pay. And no one receive the money, chief priest. Which means for as long as he exists, he exists on earth, depends as long as he exists, as long as he is still there alive. That money go they enter in pocket on a daily basis. And you know the sweetest thing, if you pay for all these events, then for instance now you rent the event for your show, they might decide say anything like drinks and every other thing now they won't supply you for that place because now you get them. And not forget say you get club, the drinks for that place so they want all the normal merriment enjoyment. They if you decide say if you be policy for them say if you are to use that arena for your event, yeah, so now chief priest won't supply you the drinks where you want drink for that place, and you get club where they'll take out the drinks God give you. You see the mentality and the mindset of a rich man. But you will not get 5 naira, small money go enter your hand, you don't go ball am. Small money go enter your hand, you don't go ball am. At the end of the day, when you don't waste all your future, you don't shop your future finish, nothing is left. You got the crowd that you know, the last comment of a fool. So when you see people like me, they come online on a daily basis, they let you they know so go invest your money because the future not friendly. That future will be say they pray for, so not really friendly. If you not plan for it, you're not friendly. You know understand? I tell people say majority of the people they see today where they suffer. Not be saying when they are our age, they not see money, they see money, but because they lavish the money, the choices, the decisions what they make with their life, and we put them for where they did today. So you know understand why chief priest is buying assets, Davido is buying liabilities. Difference between the both of them. You know understand, but you not really blame Davido because even if you buy liabilities upon liabilities upon liabilities, even generations to come, you not feel poor because a family don't first secure their generations, so they not feel poor again. Before you talk of your own personal money when they make. But you now, you see what celebrity they buy, your eye they enter inside, you won't go buy them. Forget say your source of income and that person's source of income not be the same. You they imitate. Because this celebrity will wear something, you want to go wear that thing, and you never be financially capable enough to handle that expenses. You know that when you see me come online, they tell you that's a financial mistake, you go they hate on me on comment section. You see the type of life many of them they live. You see the type of life many of them they live. Only 3 3 things you need to learn from chief priest if you want to become a successful person in life. Number 1, association. The type of people we say they associate with. Davido, see chief priest friends. Davido, Ifa Yoruba, better people. Only birthday will be say chief priest do. Ifa Yoruba come, he give her 25 million. Another person come, he give her 10 million. Another person come, he give her 5 million. Times everything. Only 3 people will come the event. Don't give them nothing less than 40 million naira. Only 3 persons. Before they call other people, we go see give them money. Before people be say they don't even come, we go see they spray, we go see say okay, I drop as a man, wire you something. The power of friendship, better friends. Many of them they work out follow people will be say they are not even in your level. They're not defined where you they go. But in the name of say nobody knows tomorrow, nor that or that estimate anybody. You they work out, they follow foolish people. Foolish people. I mean, I'm not going to say you're not right to call anybody foolish. Some people are foolish. They don't know their left from their right. When they work out, follow those type of people. Because show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. You know that, show me your friend and I will tell you who you be. Not they work out, follow some certain people. If they downgrade you, if they limit you, if they blind you because you know they see the future, you know they see your potential, your capabilities. Average persons. When chief priest open shrine, and that's how we take launch that he beat us. You know, say that you get one drink they call the general. Now you get the general. Now Davido be the brand ambassador of the general. Because of friendship, I think you say chief priest never pay much for that brand ambassadorship. When Bill won't carry Davido as brand ambassador to a company, when Davido bill and he run loss, Bill run loss. But you see what if friendship secure for chief priest friendship. So mind the type of people you follow. Waiting Bill not use the money get Davido, make Davido be the ambassador to Bill groups. Bill run because when they bill him, he run. But chief priest, because of friendship, Davido run out front very easily. When he open that shrine, that club they call shrine, now Davido go perform for there. And because say Davido they go perform for there, if you see reach out to any other artists where they come up, like all these ones where they look up to the Davido, it go they very easy for them to go because if you feel they associate with Davido, why not? So the people you move with matters a lot. How do they get? Then apart from that one, the investment mentality where that guy gets, business wise, and I believe say as an Igbo man, the average Igbo man get that Igbo within them. Even the one will not get 5 naira, they always believe say they fit start a multi-million naira business. You know understand? That guy, chief priest children will be 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. You know they build hotels for them. If they build hotels for them, even the one who never even finish primary school, he don't build hotels for them. Tell me how they want a depot for their life. He don't they secure the future of his children through generational wealth. You know understand? Then when me and they tell you say go build hotel, you go say hey, this will not start again. People who get money, don't they plan for the future of their children, and you did they lavish your money. That's the second thing you need to learn from chief priest. You know understand? Investment mentality, business wise, business orientation. You go O2 Arena, you see the activities for there. This thing will make sense for my country. I go run out for there. You go run 5,000 capacity. Although you not reach the one where they are abroad, but you see package and for year. Look for a way to do little things in a great way. You know that. Look for a way to package your life so in a very great way. Even if na small things you they do them in a very great way. When I build my first hotel, it not be anything, not be only 12 rooms, not be this or this, but today. I get dream normally to get normal 5-star hotel, but make I call the wait first till I get the money to build the 5-star hotel. No, I have to start from where I did so that I feel reach where I want go. You know that many of you don't want start because you believe say one man and one fall from one place before you won't start. Even this little content people they create, they make excuses for yourself until this one day first, until that one day first. But people are living their life on a daily basis. Go and become somebody. Start from where you did. Social media don't make everything very easy for everybody. Start from where you did. Nobody they limit you, now you they limit yourself. That's the other thing you supposed learn from chief priest. Then number 3 things you supposed learn from chief priest if you want to become successful in life. Number 3, you need to learn from that guy. Hype yourself. That guy too they hype himself. You know see when you enter problem for FCC, as he pay 10 million when he come and you know see the way he hype and say money na water. Every day check he post, he dey hype himself. We know say he get money, but the way that they talk, I not get rich like that. But you see the hype himself. Because normally this life, You need to look where you they go, not the where you dey. You know understand? When I tell you say I be billionaire, now where they go? Now where they go, I tell you. Now you they see me like this, the way they see myself, not be the way they see myself very different from the way you they see me. Now so it's supposed to be. See yourself differently from the way every other person they see you. Not be that day your life. Now you they live your life. Now you know what you deserve. You deserve a better life. So put yourself in that position now mentally, in your imagination. They live and they go. Start little. You know that the guy they hype himself. He they praise himself. Then number 40, you need to learn from chief priest. Family love. See the way they take care of his children. They take care of your wife. God they bless her. They bless his children. They bless himself. And once they give out to people too. People they follow me, they bless them. Just the same way I see they do for you. Once I they don't give away normal 10k, 20k. Even when person send me almost 1 million naira plus, that time make I see distribute. I see share for this social media, for this my platform to 200k to about 6 persons for this same place. Now God power. So plan for your future. You know that I hope that you watch this video to this level, not really to know like that. But if you really watch out to this level, it shows it true. At least you they head somewhere for your life. Why not write my name in capital letter? Make I know say true. You watch this video, reach this stage. I tell people say the life will be say we won't live. Now the one be say we go enjoy today. Tomorrow people they enjoy, we'll see follow they enjoy. 20 years coming, people they enjoy, we'll see follow they enjoy. Not be the one be say you enjoy today. People call they enjoy next year, not call follow they enjoy. They call like, no, this boy, that year before. You know what it be that year before? Past tense, that year before you get money, but now you not get money again. That will never be your portion. And for that not to be your portion, why not say amen on the comment section? Because you deserve a better life. Thank you. Gay. Write a capital letter. Make I know say you watch this video to this point. And they pick on my real people the way they watch my video. They support me. I appreciate you. Thank you. More love. Gay.